Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Raghu. Firstly, I want to wish you guys a very happy new year. Enjoy this year to your fullest. You guys must be wondering where we are heading to. So right now we are on the road trip to Chitrakoot from Vizag, and it is a 2-day trip. I want to share about the trip details and the kind of experiences I had throughout this beautiful trip. So I want to request you guys to watch this video till the end. It will be interesting. I promise you that. Watch the whole video and let me know how you feel about it in the comment section later. I went along with my friends to this trip. We have started on Friday 10:30 a.m. and we reached RRU by lunchtime. So we had our lunch there and we have started to Orissa. So kilometers from Vizag to Chitrakote Waterfalls are around 350 kilometers, which will take around 8 hours of journey time. And we have two routes to reach to Chitrakoot from Vizag. One is via Aruku and the other one is from Vijayanagaram and Seeleru route. And we have taken Aruku route. So after lunch, we started at 3:30, which will take around 5 hours to reach Chitrakoot. But we stopped before to Chitrakoot for the night stay. We stayed at a place called Jagdalpur. I inquired my friends who had already gone to this trip, so they suggested that in Jagdalpur we have a good number of hotels to stay. There is one resort also in Chitrakoot nearby, but that is so occupied we couldn't get the stay available. So I thought, yeah, we will stay at Jagdalpur. We had night stay at Jagdalpur and the next day morning we started to Chitrakoot. This is the place where we stayed last night. And after 40 kilometers journey from Jagdalpur to Chitrakoot, we reached to this place at 11:30. Woo! Here we are at the mighty Chitrakoot Waterfalls. Look at the landscape, look at the view. After spending some time, we started to get down the hill to go to a better view and also to experience the boating. I am so excited to go down and enjoy the view there. So we have taken these stairs to get down. And yeah, there is no fees for this waterfall entry. They only collected the parking fees, which is around 50 rupees. And I would say that there are not many stairs, so it is easy for any age group members to climb down and climb up. And right from the parking place to this waterfall, we have a lot of stalls here. A lot of food stalls and handmade hanging chimes and woodwork. So people can buy here and take to their places. These are good actually. Oh my god, look at this view. It's so amazing, right? Okay, for now we will stop talking and let's get into the cinematic visuals.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
motivation from seeing this is never stop going. How many ever obstacles come in our way, we have to keep on moving ahead. Visiting this place gave us an amazing experience. We enjoyed the trip thoroughly. And from Chitrakoot Waterfalls, we started to Tirthkar Waterfalls. So we will reach there. We have to have our lunch in between and we have to reach there. So it is around 40 kilometers from here. We will start in some time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
By the time we reached to the safari, it's already late. It was around 4:45. So we started from there and we got into this waterfall. Look at the view. Look at the rock structure. It's so nice, right? So the safari ride includes safari ride and they will take to this waterfall and they will also take you to three caves. So all these three things will be there and they charged 1500 rupees per jeep.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Now after the waterfall, we got down at the caves. We will be going there. Look at the forest. It's so thick, right? I couldn't record much of the video in the caves because it is so dark. I did not carry any external light with me, so it is very difficult actually. And these caves are very small also to go inside them. So it is very dark and it is little congested to go inside. So I need to concentrate while going. It will take around 40 minutes to see the caves and come outside. So we took that time. We have enjoyed a lot inside the caves. We shouted and we became kids inside the caves as it is dark. And now after coming out, it is already late. We couldn't go to that Teethka waterfalls because there was so traffic on the road. So we couldn't move our vehicle to that waterfall. So we headed back to Jagdalpur. We had dinner there and we have started back to Arku. So we reached Arku around 2:30 a.m. and we stayed there. Just look at the road. There is no road at all. We couldn't see much of the road. Everywhere we see fog only. It's a thrilling experience. We had to slow down here. Almost we took around 1 hour for 18 kilometers. Imagine how foggy it was near Aruku. We enjoyed a lot in this ride. The whole ride was so good. The whole trip was so good. We have created good memories by coming here. When we look back to this video, we'll again go through all the memories down the lane. So overall, yeah, we enjoyed a lot. It was a thrilling and nice experience. I hope that you guys like this video. Please comment your feedback in the comment section, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the next updates. That's all then for this video. Once again, I wish you guys a very happy new year. Take care, stay safe.